Don't make a wrong permanent decision over a short temporary problem. Wait for these waves to go away and stand strong on the rock of ages. And I tell you, they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles, right? Hoping in God, putting our hope in God is probably the smartest thing anyone can do, so that we really can allow God to take us forward into His will. When you surrender to God, it is stepping up into what God has for you, something greater in the name of Jesus. Tell God, God, I surrender to you. Whatever be your choice, whatever be your plan, I'll still honor you no matter what the result will be. I'll still thank you that even if I don't understand the result of what I surrendered to you, yet I'll trust you that what you did is right in the light of eternity and maybe even on the earth today.